Have you ever wondered why oil and water refuse to mix, or how a tiny insect can walk across a pond? The answer isn't in the bonds inside molecules, but in the invisible handshakes between them. These are intermolecular forces, the secret glue holding our physical world together. It all starts with polarity. Think of a molecule as a tiny magnet. If its electrons are shared unevenly, one end becomes slightly negative and the other slightly positive, making it polar. A water molecule, due to its bent shape, is a powerful little magnet. Carbon dioxide, however, is perfectly symmetrical. The internal poles on its electrons cancel out, making it nonpolar, a magnet with no distinct poles. These molecular magnets are constantly interacting. Their attractions, these handshakes, come in different strengths. The weakest are dispersion forces, temporary flickers present in every molecule. Stronger are dipole-dipole forces, the steady attraction between two polar molecules. But the king of them all is hydrogen bonding. This is a super strong version that only happens when hydrogen is bonded to nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine. It's the force that makes water so unique. These handshakes dictate a substance's behavior. Water's powerful hydrogen bonds pull its surface molecules inward, creating a tight skin. That's surface tension, what lets insects walk on water. It's also why water has a high boiling point. You need a lot of energy to break those strong handshakes apart. And the oil in water? It's the golden rule. Like dissolves like. The polar water molecules would much rather bond with each other than interact with non-polar oil molecules. From holding your DNA in its double helix to making the oceans possible, these forces are the reason you aren't just a cloud of gas. They are the quiet, constant architects of our reality.